How to share Instagram Reels. Now, let's say you want to share an Instagram Reel. All you have to do is to tap on this button right here, the Instagram Reel section, and let's say you have found a specific reel that you want to share. All you have to do is to tap on this airplane-like button right here and expand that. And as you can see, you will be able to share this Instagram reel to your DMs by tapping on one of the profiles of the person that you follow. Let's say right here. Another way is to click on the share button right here. And you will be able to send this reel or share this reel to other social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Snapchat, Chrome, and many more. You can also just copy this link and share this to other platforms or search this to your Google Chrome. So that's how to share Instagram Reels. Hope we helped.